In this video, we're going to be talking about time-restricted eating for beginners. I'm going to map out a 5-week intermittent fasting plan that you can follow if you're new to time-restricted feeding, where you're going to lose weight, you're going to have an increase in energy, you're going to just look and feel younger after these 5 weeks. And if you follow my protocol, it's going to be really easy to do. Hello everyone, my name is Mike Cola, and I've been a fitness trainer and gym owner for over 25 years. And if this is your first time here and you really want to improve your fitness, health, and nutrition along with me, hit that subscribe button. I put out videos like this every single week, and I wouldn't want anyone to miss one of the videos. Okay, let's get right to the top. Let's talk about a time-restricted eating program for beginners. I'm going to map out this intermittent fasting plan for you. It's going to be really simple to follow. After 5 weeks, you're going to be so happy. You're going to be thinner, you're going to have more energy, you're going to look, and you're going to feel younger. Okay, let's first talk about what is time-restricted eating. All it simply means is that you're going to take in all your calories in a restricted eating window. For example, you're not going to be eating all day long. We're just going to narrow down the times of the day in which you can eat. Okay, let's talk about what I think you should do week one. Okay, week one, research has shown all you have to do is eat breakfast later by 90 minutes and then eat dinner 90 minutes earlier. And you're actually going to lose weight and you're going to improve your health. So that's all you have to do week one. Okay, when you're delaying breakfast, you're still going to have water in the morning, Perrier, whatever you like, some Pellegrino, mineral-rich water. But delay breakfast by 90 minutes and eat dinner 90 minutes early and eat whatever you want, whatever your normal foods are, as many meals as you want week one. Okay, now week two, we're going to make it a little bit more stricter. I want you to do something called 16-8. 16-8 means that you're going to be fasting for 16 hours, and then you're going to take all your calories in within an 8-hour eating window. So I personally like to skip breakfast. Like, for example, I'll have my first meal at 12 in the afternoon, then I'll have dinner before 8 in the evening. So I'm taking all my calories in an 8-hour eating window. And then I also want you to only have 2 meals a day for week two. Okay, so the first week, you were just delaying breakfast and dinner, and you can eat as many meals as you want. Week two, 16-8, fast for 16, eat for 8 hours, only 2 meals. That's week two. And in that fasted period, once again, you can drink coffee, you can drink tea, and drink a lot of water. Okay, definitely drink. And my favorite water is Pellegrino, rich in minerals. Okay. Now week three, this might be the hardest week. We're going to tighten up the diet. Now research has shown, when it comes to time-restricted feeding and intermittent fasting, you don't really have to change your diet to lose weight, but you will have, in my opinion, you definitely will have better results. And you want to eat healthier. So I want you to eat a more whole, or like an all-natural, nutrient-dense type diet. So there's 2 things I want you to do week 3 when it comes to changing your diet. One is, I want you to get rid of those garbage, sugary type carbohydrates and the processed foods. No cookies, no cakes, no bagels, no rice. Get rid of the empty calories and replace those sugary, empty calorie type carbs with fibrous rich vegetables, nutrient dense vegetables. You want to increase your vegetables and you want to reduce the empty calorie carbs. And the second thing I want you to do, I want you to start thinking about eating more healthy fat. For example, I want you to increase your omega-3s. Those are like the fats from fish, from oily fish. And I want you to start increasing your monounsaturated, like extra virgin olive oil. Increase your extra virgin olive oil. Increase your omega-3 fats from like fish, like sardines, wild-caught salmon. And then I want you to reduce your vegetable oils and fats. Reduce those omega-6s. The typical American diet is way out of whack. We're eating 20 to 1. Most people eat 20 times more omega-6s, which are vegetable-type oils, as opposed to omega-3s. You want an even ratio. You want it as close to 1 to 1 as possible. Okay, so week 3, let's recap. We're going to be doing 16-8, fasting 16 hours, eating for 8 hours. You can drink coffee, tea without cream or sugar, drink a lot of water during the fasting period. You're going to have 2 meals a day within the 8-hour eating window. Then you're going to reduce the bad carbs and you increase your healthy fats. Okay, that's week 3. Okay, now week 4. Week 4, you're going to start experimenting with 1 meal a day. Okay, so out of 7 days in the week, 2 days of that week, I want you to only eat 1 meal a day. Okay, for the other 5 days, do what you did for week 3, 16-8. Okay, but then 2 days a week, give yourself only a 2-hour eating window, meaning you're going to be fasting. You can drink coffee. Once again, you can drink green tea. You can drink a lot of water, but only give yourself a 2-hour eating window. Okay, now what's that going to do? Besides speeding up weight loss and things like that, it's going to really increase autophagy. Autophagy is one of the biggest benefits you get from intermittent fasting. Studies have shown that even if people don't lose weight, they improve their health with time-restricted eating and intermittent fasting. And one of the reasons why I personally think is because of autophagy. And other things like insulin sensitivity is going to increase, beta cells within your pancreas are going to start working better. There's so many good benefits to staying in a fasted state. Okay, so week number 4, you're going to eat 1 meal a day, 2 days a week, and then you're going to stick with that 16-8, 2 meals a day for the remaining 7 days, and that's going to increase autophagy. If you don't know what autophagy is, it's pretty much just cell cleansing, like weak organelles, damaged organelles get eaten up by the body. It's just a great self-cleansing, somewhat of a detoxing type process for your cells. Okay, now we're at week number 5. Okay, now we're really going to go for it this week. Okay, now week number 5, we're going to do the same thing as week number 4, 16-8. Actually, we're going to do that for 5 days within the week. Then one day, we're going to do 1 meal a day. Okay, and then the last day, you're going to do a 24-hour fast. Now, don't do the 1 meal a day, 24-hour back-to-back. Do the 1 meal a day early in the week. For example, 16-8, say Monday, Tuesday, 1 meal a day, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 16-8, 2 meals, and then Sunday, or you can be whatever day you want. You're going to fast for 24 hours, and it's not going to be hard. You're going to be ready for it. Believe me, I've had a number of my personal training clients do this who come to me who want to lose weight, want to improve their health. Also, just to play it safe, check with your doctor about this protocol. If you're new to intermittent fasting, time-restricted feeding, just run it by your physician, see what he or she thinks. Maybe they want to lose some weight, and they might even do it too. Okay, when it comes to that 24-hour fast day, you're still going to have your coffee, you're still going to have your green tea, and drink a lot of water. Drink a lot of that Pellegrino, Perrier type mineral water, which is higher in sodium, higher in the minerals. Do that. I'm telling you, you are going to be so happy after these 5 weeks. You're going to be thinner. You're going to have more energy. You're going to look and feel younger. You're actually going to love it. Well, and also, if you need help with this, just leave comments. If whatever week you're in, ask me questions, leave comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can, okay? Well, if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And remember, if you really want to improve your fitness, health, and nutrition along with me, hit that subscribe button. I put out 1 or 2 videos every single week, and I wouldn't want you to miss one of the videos. Take care, everyone, and have a wonderful day.